7 divided by 3 gives us 7 over 3, right? That's a fraction. And then here, 7 divided by 3 also gives us 7 over 3. And these two fractions, they are the same. So this fraction divided by this fraction, because they are the same, gives us 1. But unfortunately, this is wrong because you fell for a big trap, and that's the order of operations. And you also assumed that these two numbers or two digits are paired. These are not paired because there is no parentheses. In your mind, you put parentheses here. But for God's sake, let's learn the correct order of operations. It is something called as PEMDAS, and that's an acronym. So P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S finally stands for subtraction. And this gives us an arrow of priority from the highest to the lowest priority. PEMDAS means that you must go for parentheses at first, then go for exponents, then go for multiplication and division from left to right. They have the same priority and precedence. MD or DM does not matter. And finally, go for, addition and subtraction from left to right. So let's now, with this in mind, let's revisit the problem. Do we have any parentheses in the original expression? No. Do we have any exponents? No. Do we have any multiplication? No. Do we have any division? All of them are divisions. One more last maybe tip is that for dividing a number by a fraction, you can easily turn the sign, this operation, into multiplication. So A times, and flip the upper side and the lower side, or reciprocate, or turn the fraction into the reciprocal. In other words, N over M. These are the same thing. So, and because we just have divisions, we must go from left to right. You can't do this or prefer to do this or to do this at first. Go from left to right because all are divisions. So 7 divided by 3 gives us 7 over 3, right? The first part is gone. Then divided by 7. We can turn this operation, the sign, into a multiplication and reciprocate the fraction. Or instead of 7, we can write it as 1 over 7. Again, divided by 3, we can write it as times or multiplied by the reciprocal of this fraction is 1/3. So in other words, swap or flip like this, the upper part and the lower part of this. Now we have just multiplication. Now you can simplify or cancel the 7 in the numerator and the 7 in the denominator. So what we are left with is just 1. So 1 times 1 gives us 1 in the numerator, and 3 times 3 gives us 9 in the denominator. Please also learn these terms as well. This is the only final answer, so you can see that it's way different from 1. So please, for God's sake, never be lost and learn PEMDAS. For your homework, what would the answer be if we had 7 divided by 7, just the last one, inside the brackets and raised to the power of 2 or squared? So please subscribe to the channel to support me. It really means a lot. And like the video, and see you on our next video.